Hey, congrats on your confirmed job booking. To give you a quick tutorial on what to do on the day, we're going to walk you through how to use the Road Ninja app for each day you are scheduled to work for the job days you have been booked. Why is it important that you follow these steps? Because this is how you get paid. What do I need to do? Once you have accepted a job request and the company offering the job request has confirmed you as the driver they want to lock in, the job is then confirmed or approved, and you will be expected to turn up each day you were booked for, at the start time indicated or advised directly to you by the company. Each day you will arrive at the location expected to start the job. Open your Road Ninja app and click on the Live Jobs icon. There should be a job in there that matches today's date that you are booked to work. Click on that job with the matching date, scroll down to Start Job and click on that button at the expected start time. Then click on Run Pre-Departure Checks button. Go through your pre-departure checks to make sure the vehicle is safe and any faults are captured. This is important because if there are faults found on the vehicle and you didn't indicate that they were there when you started, the company might think it was you that caused a fault with the vehicle. If you encounter a fault and mark it with an X versus a tick, you will be given the option to indicate if it is a critical fault or not if you deem the fault is critical and the vehicle isn't safe or legal to drive. The job will not be able to continue until a replacement vehicle is provided by the company you are driving for. If not critical or no faults to record, once pre-departure checks are completed, you are ready to start your driving for the day. At this point, you can close out of the app as the job timer will continue running until you reach the end of your day, at which point you complete your driver's logbook to record when you finished and ended your work for the day. Take a photo or screenshot of the completed day's logbook. Then you open your Road Ninja app again, and if it's not already on the job day where you left off after completing the pre-departure check, click on Live Jobs again and on the job date that you had started earlier. Scroll down and click the button Complete Job. This will take you to a screen where you check the dates and start and end times are correct for what you did. Select the hours you wish to charge for example, booked time or actual time. Add the photo or screenshot of your logbook for evidence of the logbook hours you did for the day. Note that logged hours don't necessarily have to match the hours you're charging for. The logbook is just evidence of the time spent driving for the day's work you did. Finally, click the Submit button. Our system will then create an invoice on your behalf using your details from within the app, e.g. your advertised hourly rate or the agreed fixed price offer per day, set at the time of the booking request being accepted by yourself. Calculates and applies your GST component only if you are GST registered as indicated by you, and issues the invoice on your behalf for the company to make payment on from within the Road Ninja company portal they use to book and manage job booking made through Road Ninja. Important. Please note, payment for the work you do is paid by the company that booked you via the Road Ninja payment provider, Stripe, and goes straight from their bank or credit card account paid directly into the bank account you listed in the Road Ninja app, which is usually your personal or business bank account, or, in many cases, for tax management, your Hnry bank account. Hnry receives your payment, deducts the taxes you will owe for the money you receive, and puts the remaining balance after tax into your personal account that you have advised Hnry to pay into. Also, please note, Road Ninja does not receive or hold any of the money or funds you earn for the job days you work, so any delays on payments or payments not yet initiated for work you have completed should be pursued through your contact at the company that booked you. However, if there are issues relating to this, you are also welcome to contact Road Ninja support. For more info on payments, please see our online help article.